In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the ring light feature on Snapchat. Okay, so the first thing to take note of is that this is a new feature. So the first thing you need to do is go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone, and then just type in Snapchat into the search bar. And if you have an update available for your Snapchat, then you want to go ahead and update it. Another thing you might want to check is the version of Snapchat that it updates to. So currently I have the ring light feature and I'm on an Android device and I'm running this version 11.75.0.33. So that's the version I'm currently running. So if you're running the same one or one after that, then you're pretty much good to go. The next step is to just go into Snapchat once you've updated. Now, to actually make use of the ring light feature, you need to be using the selfie camera. You notice this icon right here that has a little flash. If you click on that icon with the rear facing camera, it's not going to do anything. But now if I switch the camera to the selfie camera, you'll notice now if I push that button, you now see that the ring light feature appears. And you have various options as to what you can do with it. You can change the warmth of the light. So if you wanted it a little bit warmer, you get that cool blue one as well. And then you can change the intensity of it just like that with the slider, move it to the left and move it to the right. So it's basically like a digital ring light, which is pretty cool. I think I'll leave it on the first one right there. It basically replicates one of these ring lights that you would buy at a physical store. So if I switch back to the selfie camera, it will now be on and you can just record your Snapchat video however you would want to record it. Once that's done, you'll notice that it's much brighter than a regular Snapchat video because you're using the ring light feature. So that's basically how you can get and use the ring light feature on Snapchat. You want to be making sure that you update your Snapchat app, verify that you have the correct version of Snapchat that has the feature available, and you should be good to go. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.